Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd, subject EVS. Our today's topic name is Public Places. First we will see what is meant by public places. It means there are some important places in our neighborhood. Now, neighborhood means what? Neighborhood means nearby, which provide us important services. These are called public places. Understood? Public places means what? There are many public places in our environment. We all use public places for many different purposes. For example, school, hospitals or dispensaries, banks, police stations, post office, weekly bazaars, bus stands, railway station, fire station, theaters and cinema halls, temples and religious places. Let us study some of the main public places. Here I gave you the list of public places. School, hospitals or dispensaries, banks, police stations, post office, weekly bazaars, bus stands, railway stations, fire stations, theaters and cinema halls, temples and religious places. Let us study some of the main public places. Number 1, school. Can you see this school? I think all students are missing our school. Yes or no? Yes. What all activities we do in the school? Let us see. We go to school every day to study, to play and to learn. We make new friends in school. Teachers teach us new lessons, songs, exercise, good manners and discipline. And we must remember to keep our school and classroom clean and neat. Did you get it? What I said just now? Remember this point. We must remember to keep our school and classroom clean and neat. Did you get it? Okay, fine. Here you can see in this picture how children go to school every day to study, to play and to learn and for singing and for exercise. Yes or no? Yes. Now next public place is hospitals or dispensaries. I think everyone knows about hospitals or dispensaries. A hospital is a place where a doctor treats person who is sick. Now we will see more information about hospitals. We go to a hospital when we are ill. If it is not serious, we go to a nearby dispensary. Now, dispensary means what? Dispensary means clinic. Hospitals and dispensaries have doctors and nurses. The doctor treats us and tells us what medicine we have to take. We get medicine from the dispensary or a chemist shop. Chemist shop means medical. Everyone knows about medical. Yes or no? Yes. And remember this point. We should make sure to throw any unwanted paper or food in the garbage bins and not on the floor. Understood? We must keep hospitals clean. Now I will tell you dispensary means what? Dispensary means a small room where the doctor checks the patient and gives medicine. Okay? Dispensary means what? A small room where the doctor checks the patient and gives medicines. Did you get it? Okay. Now next word is hospitals. Hospitals means a place where people who are ill or injured are treated and taken care of by doctors and nurses. Now I will show you pictures of medical, it means chemist, clinic and hospitals. These are the pictures of medical, clinic and hospitals. Our next public place is bank. I think everyone knows about bank. Okay? Now we will see more information about bank. People keep their money safe in a bank. They can take it out when they need it. Jewelry and important papers can also be kept in a bank locker. Now we will see some hard words. Number 1, safe. Safe means what? Safe means protected from danger. Okay, safe means protected from danger. Next word is need. Need means a thing that is wanted or required. Now, next word is important. Important means what? Important means of great value. Now I will show you pictures of jewelry, important papers and money. People keep their money safe in a bank. Jewelry and important papers can also be kept in a bank locker. Understood? Now tell me, who knows about post office? I think nobody knows about post office because nowadays many people use mobile phone. People send and receive messages to their friends and relatives through a mobile phone. Yes or no? Okay, students, I will tell you what is post office. Here you can see picture of post office. We can send and receive letters from our friends and relatives through a post office. The postman receives the letters in a letter box and after reading the address on the envelope delivers the letters to us. The post office provides us with envelopes, stamps, postcards. We can also send money orders, pay telephone bills, and open a post office saving account. Students, now we will see some meaning of hard words. Number 1, delivery. Delivery means what? Delivery means an action of delivering letters, parcels or goods. Next, parcel. Parcel means what? Parcel means an object, article, container, or quantity of something wrapped or packed up. Next, stamp. Stamp means what? Stamp means a small piece of paper stuck to something to show that an amount of money has been paid in particular, or postage stamp. Understood? Okay, students, now tell me, who is he? Guess, who is he? Yes, correct. He is postman. The postman receives the letters in a letter box. Okay, understood? Just now I told you the post office provides us with envelopes, stamps. Now we will see weekly bazaar. In this bazaar, you can see all the products used in our day-to-day life. As you can see in this picture, a weekly market is a market which sells things like household items, clothes, vegetables, fruits, flowers, sweets, and many more things only once a week. The weekly bazaar takes place once in a week. In villages, there are regular weekly markets. For example, Somwari Bazaar. All the daily necessities of life are available here at one place. Understood, students? Weekly bazaar, weekly market means what? Now I will tell you household means what? Household means items that are necessary for the daily use in our house. Understood? Household means what? Household means, again I will repeat, household means items that are necessary for the daily use in our house. In the market, we get clothes, vegetables, fruits, and flowers, as you can see in these pictures. Next public place is bus stand. I think everybody knows about bus stand. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Now we'll see more information about bus stand. The cities have many bus stands. There are bus stands in towns and villages too. Buses carry people from one place to another place. Every bus has a conductor who issues a ticket. Students, you know about conductor? You saw. Yes or no? Conductor you saw in bus. A bus driver who drives us to our place. Here you can see in this picture conductor and bus driver. Now we will see gardens or parks. As you can see in this picture, how children are enjoying a lot. All children like to go to garden or park. The garden area is full of green grass, beautiful flowers, tall trees, and benches for people to sit and relax. Attached to the garden is a park for the children to play. There are swings, slides, seesaws, merry-go-rounds, and open spaces to play games. All children like to play in park. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will see open spaces means what? Open spaces means A public open space means an open piece of land where children play. A public open space means an open piece of land where children play, as you can see in this picture. In park, there are swings, slides, seesaws, merry-go-rounds, and open spaces to play games. Next public place is theatres and cinema halls. We go to a theatre or to the cinema to watch movies on the big screen. We can eat popcorn, sandwiches, samosas, and drink juice, tea, or coffee while watching the movie. Points to remember. Number 1. Public places are for everyone to use. Next, we must keep them clean and use them carefully. Students, you have to remember these points. Okay? Come on, students. It's time for your homework. Let us play an interesting game. Log the correct answer by putting a tick. Read the following sentences and write yes or no accordingly. Okay, number 1. In the garden, we should pluck flowers. And the answer is no. Number 2. We must respect our principal, teachers, peons. Yes, answer is yes. Number 3. In a hospital, we can run around the corridors when visiting someone. And answer is no. Number 4. We go to the theatre to watch movies on the big screen. And the answer is yes. Students, you have to write this homework in your EVS notebook. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you everyone.